Hello everyone, my name is Meghna and I am the founder of Start Your Food Business. I'm also the author of the Complete Guide to Starting Your Food Business workbook. Now this guide is the ultimate workbook that every food business owner needs. And I actually developed it over the years when I was building my own food business. Since then, I've helped so many other businesses grow, launch, create more sales, and generate more income. And today I want to help you too. In this guide, you get 45 pages packed full of step-by-step instructions that will guide you through every phase of starting, growing, and launching your own food business. From business planning to customer mapping, financing, and marketing, this guide has handy tips, advice, and worksheets tailored for food startups. It's been written by myself, a business advisor, and my partner, a food technologist, so you know you're getting the right information at the right time. This guide retails for $97 on our website, but today it's going to be yours for only $17. So what are you waiting for? Grab the workbook, get started, and make your food business a success.